In Savvy 2, we now have a new feature called additional content sections that you can add to a product. And this really ties in with modifying a product layout. So you'll see here in this example, it has underneath the image description, which is normal, but you see additional boxes for SaviSites rocks and warranty. Now the reason we created this is some products might have previously had a description that was a mile long, and some of those were different sections that could have been brought into another tab or another box that would break up the content and make it easier for customers to see. Also, it enables the related products to not be so far down. So for example, I've just got fake text here for SaviSites rocks or warranty. You can click these and it switches out the content. And there are two different design options for these content boxes. But first I'll show you how to create these. So I'm on this specific product in the admin, and I'm going to go to that submenu and click on Layout SEO. Now in the drop down you'll see three options for the layout: standard with tabs, standard, or store-wide default. You've just seen an example of tabs where it has the additional tabs next to the product. Let's go ahead and show you standard. So I click this and I'll hit save. And now we're back in the storefront on the same product, and you'll see instead of having the tabs next to the description, it has the additional sections in the same format as descriptions and related products below. The store-wide default product layout is where you can set it in the settings, design settings, where you can tell every product in your store to either use standard or tabbed if those products have store-wide default as the layout option. If you choose this to an option outside of store-wide default, even if you update it in your design settings, it will not update this product. It basically tells this product to stand alone and use the setting you've given it. Now I'll show you how to create these additional content sections for a product. Click the Details section, and we'll scroll down here. Right below the full description box, you'll see this link that says Add Content Section. If you click this, then type in a name, then you can click this Edit box, type in the text, and save the page. You'll also notice these sort boxes next to the titles. You do not have to use these. They can all be 0 and they will just appear in the order that they're showing. But if you wanted to rearrange them, let's say for example I want test box 3 to be last, I could put a 3 here, 2 here, let's say, and a 1 here, then save, and you'll see warranty, SaviSites rocks, test box 3. And in the storefront now I've got warranty, SaviSites rocks, and test box 3. To delete a content box, simply click on the X and hit OK. And finally, I'll show you how to set the design settings store-wide as the default. Click Settings in the top menu, go to Design Settings. Now I'm going to scroll down to Store-wide Default Sublayouts, and I'll see Product Layout, and I can choose either Standard or Standard with tabs. And again, by choosing this, every product that currently has the layout option as Use Store-wide Default will then switch to whatever option I choose here. So if I chose Standard with tabs and then hit the Save button, now every product with Store-wide Default would now show tabs if they had content boxes created for that product. And this concludes how to create content boxes and how to change and manage the layouts for those new content boxes on the product's layout.